He'll bite again. He'll bite again. That's what I tell her, Mom. Covering the teeth.
Frankie, you're so crazy.
Make him say I love you. He told me to get good now. I used to be able to.
Well, tell him again. Maybe he likes you. He wants you to hear it. He wants to hear it when you say it real close to his ear.
Johnny, look at my cell phone, Johnny. My cell phone. My cell phone? Where is it? No. It's on the table, no? Like I said, I love him. You gotta tell him in his ear. Hey, Frankie! Hey, Frankie! Hey! 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 You get phone again?
Come on, Frankie.
Hey!
Say it.
Hey! You turned him out. Just chill. Hey, talk. Tell him again. You won't do it? Tell him. I can't. He won't talk. He's too busy. He only talks to Danny.